Hi everyone, my name is Rafal. I've bought the house built in around 1985 and I was looking for a team who would come and wash my roof. But nobody wanted to accept the challenge because there is a conservatory with glass ceiling at the back, but there was a lot of moss on the roof and the moss was falling down every day, so we had to wipe it down and remove it, but it came back again and again. So there are issues with accessibility. So that was the only solution, to have a team, and LBC responded within a couple of minutes. They were the first to accept the challenge and they arrived within one working day. They have made a fantastic job. You can see the roof, it looks like brand new, even though it's already 30 years old. The team of three, Jim, Aaron and Michael, have been fantastic, helpful. They've done everything very quickly within several hours. So they just arrived in the morning, they did everything in one go. They helped to clean the mess that was the moss falling down, and they helped to clean the patio and the back garden. They also took care of the neighboring properties, so my neighbors should be happy with me now. I didn't have to do anything, everything was well communicated in advance, as agreed. They knew what to expect. They did the right job, they chosen the right equipment. I haven't seen anything like this before, so really appreciate, great help, and highly recommend it to everyone.